Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. In today's video, I'm just covering this up because my address is there, so don't mind me. I am uncovering this month's Your Nail Lab in a Box by Makartt. These people have lost their damn mind. I'm just gonna start there. Like, they're crazy. The stuff that comes in this month's box, it's just mind-blowing. So, you know what? Let's just start opening this, babe. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is like the use. You get your little thank you card. Got some paper. Let's throw that away. And I am gonna start off with some glitter. Now, I am not going to be doing my usual style of video where I like go through and tell you the price of everything, because a lot of the items in this month's box are like sneak peek items, and I've kind of caught on to that like the last couple months where I like am unable to find something and then like a month later it's on their website. So a lot of these items will be available on their website soon but are not available just yet. Okay, so starting right off, we have some beautiful flakes in different colors. Let me see. So I watched a Instagram video, a couple actually. I think they used the pink and the silver. And let me just tell you, man, these things are beautiful. Not only do they come with the flakes, but they also come with some tools to help you use them. Tweezers are always great. Now, don't be fooled by this. It might look small, but that's a lot of flakes in there. These things are like usually relatively inexpensive, but beware, if you breathe on this tube, it will literally go everywhere. So there are some really beautiful colors for the holiday season, which I believe is what they tried to pack into this month's box. They tried to give you a couple things that you could like round out October with, and then things that you could move into the rest of fall and winter. So coming right up are these brushes, which honestly, I'm so glad that they gave us these, because my brushes have been starting to get a little ratty. If you haven't noticed in the last couple of videos, I did recently buy some, but there are a lot of brushes in here that I don't currently have. So let's just check this out. One of which is definitely a fan brush. I don't currently own a fan brush. And there are a lot of different things that you can do with these brushes when it comes to nail art. And I love these like small detailer brushes that they've included, not only for cleanup, there's even like an angled liner brush in here, which is really great, especially if you're using your left hand. I find that the angled ones do work a little bit better. There is a small dotting tool and just some like other liners and cleanup brushes, which is just amazing. So thank you so much for including that in this month's box. The next item that I'm going to pull out, I'm really excited for this, and it is one of those like nail art stands. I do own one of these, but this, oh my god, this one is stunning. So it's basically a little magnetized jewel, and you just pop one of these things off, and it's got a magnet on the bottom as well, so it sticks to the stand. I think there's like a sticker on top of it right now. So it sticks to the stand, and then you will use something else to adhere, like just a nail tip that you can work on it for press-ons. This is great. I've actually considered starting to do more like press-ons in my videos. That way I can kind of like pump out like videos quicker, and the removal process will be a lot easier for me, because taking off polygel and gel is not always the easiest process. Coming right up, I'm just gonna pull both of these out. They're both polygels. We have the color Glow Yellow and Bronzer. I believe this color does actually glow in the dark. Bronzer and Glow Yellow. Ugh, I tried to take them out of the boxes. I should have taken these things off too. Okay, so here is the bronzer shade. It looks stunning just from what I saw on their IG. Ooh, oh my god, this is, holy moly. That is a beautiful fall shade. Ugh, that would be so lovely with some of those like glitter leaves that you can buy. And and here, oh, well, excuse you. Ugh, good. Use your strength, woman. All right, here we go. It's probably way too much for a swatch, but that is our Glow Yellow. I'm gonna stick these guys in the lamp whilst we are looking at some other items. All right, I didn't want to distract you too much with the light, but let me pull out. So this looks like a chrome powder, which I didn't even know we were getting. Ooh. Oh man, you could almost see it glowing in the lamp when I pulled it out really quickly, but I will be sure to show you what it looks like at the end of the video. This looks like a little chrome powder. Don't know what the reflect is on it, but it's probably like a silvery blue color. That's what it's giving off inside. Come on, precious, come on. I always hate opening these things. Oh god, because I'm afraid they're gonna make a huge mess. Here we go. Let's get some on here. I'm just gonna rub it on my nail. Let's just grab a little bit. I'm just gonna put it over here. Yep, it's like a little silvery, like chromey look. It's really pretty. I'm sure if I did this on like a white, it would really pop more. Obviously, this is on like a black glitter nail, so it's kind of hard to see. But it's your typical like silver chrome powder. Very pretty. You can see like the sheen on the side of my finger. Honestly, it would be a gorgeous highlighter. Let's close her up. I have tons of these little sponges from other powders and other things that I own. Next item on the agenda. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these glitters, let me just move this out of the way. These glitters fascinate me so much because they're almost like slates. They're like a diamond shape, and I saw somebody on Instagram. They basically like strategically placed these in like a puzzle all across their nails, and it looked so beautiful. It was like her nail was made of a diamond. So I'm definitely going to be trying that. There are for sure like some colors that you could use. Oh my god, like this one right here would be perfect for like Christmas time, like a snowflake nail. Oh gorgeous. All right, like their glitters always stun me, and just freaking wait. I'm leaving the best for last because I know what it is and it's gonna blow your socks off. The next items, we have another duet, and I did try to find this one on their website, but they didn't have it. But I think the duets are usually like $9.99. Let's see, I did see them work with both of these. If you don't follow them on Instagram, you should, because they show different nail looks using the products that come in the boxes. I really need a knife at my desk. Like, let's be honest here. this cuticle pusher is not cutting it. So if you don't follow them on Instagram, at least follow them on YouTube, because they also do videos using products on YouTube. That's how I knew that this was like, that they were doing a lot of sneak peek items. It's also impossible to do anything when you have long nails. And mine aren't even like the longest that I've seen. Some of you girls, oh my lord. It's like another finger on your nail. Oh, okay, so this thing has like stars and flakes in it. Oh, it is really, really, really cute. This would take your galaxy nail to a whole other galaxy. It's just like a jelly blue in the background, and it's got these beautiful reflective stars, just silver flakes inside with that great, like, it honestly is almost hollow. It might be missing like 1 or 2 colors, but it's really pretty. And I think this one might be my favorite. Oh, you can get me anytime with like a champagne or rose gold color. Like those toppers are just, these look like more toppers. They're not very saturated with a background color, but either way, with any of the nudes that we've gotten from Makartt, like this nude and then this paired together with some of these glitters and foils, you have a New Year's Eve nail look that will be like the showstopper at any party that you go to. Okay guys, for the last and final item in this box, just prepare yourself, I'm telling you. They gave us this huge set of glitters, and they're not just glitters, they're like cutouts. Let me just open this thing. Like, this is what I'm talking about. These people are crazy. They've lost their mind. Look at this. This is awesome. There are so many things to choose from. Ugh, I don't even know where to begin. First of all, what is this over here? They look like little, like, potion bottles. This is a gold glitter, like hexagonal glitter. This blue one is calling my name, and this one right here. Oh, man. Like, you think it's a small amount, but honestly, it's probably not any more than what you would get in something like something like this. There's not as much glitter in there as you think, and they're like really just packing this in there. It may be like a little bit more than like twice as much, but to be realistic, the amount of glitter that I have, I will never get through it all. It's about the same as the amount of nails I have now. Like these little guys down here, there's so many hearts and stars. Like this would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Ugh, it's so cute. It's so cute, as my son would say. They're so cute. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, so you have like some micro glitters, and then you have like cutouts, and then you have larger hexagonal, and then these are like smaller like circular glitters. I cannot believe that they gave this to us. But I am going to activate this yellow poly gel, and then we'll come back and kind of just like give my final thoughts. So quickly, I want to try to show you the yellow one. I hope that you can see. I mean, I haven't even turned the lights out all the way, and it is glowing. That is so pretty. It's like your perfect neon yellow that you would see during the Halloween season. But I mixed holiday and Halloween together. So that alone is just lovely. Again, like, how many times can I say that I just think that Makartt really thinks about what they're doing when they curate these boxes? It's not like, oh, we're just going to give you a ton of glitters. No, we've given you glitters along with polish and polygel that you can create beautiful fall looks in November and some stunning Christmas/New Year's looks. I am just so excited to work with all of these things the next coming months and many more in the future. Like there's plenty of things for like Valentine's Day. I don't know. I'm blown away. I don't even know what to say at this point. So thanks so much again, Makartt. They do not give me this box. I do purchase this with my own money, but I am always really excited to receive it every month. It's like opening a little Christmas present in the middle of, at the end of every month. So as I mentioned, a lot of these are sneak peek items, and this box is valued at over $100. With that being said, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, my Twitter, as well as my website. That gives you a lot of my like day-to-day things that I used to start doing my nails at home. So go and check that out. Like this video, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!